Yet another traitor on one side of the political aisle has decided to do something strange. In Pennsylvania, the certification of the ballots apparently can never end because someone can throw a monkey wrench at one point or another. Eventually, when it comes to counting the ballots, I guess Vice President, current one, will just sit there and say, I can't count, I need math skills. Commonwealth lower court judge Patricia McCullough decided to stop the Pennsylvania certification process as much as possible, even though it's actually already done, till Friday so she can have a hearing so she can kiss up to the Trump heads. It's not really much to it other than it's unknown because the Commonwealth hasn't actually dealt with this before. No one has. Whether or not she can legally do that. Instead of just saying, you can't do that, we've already certified them on the 23rd. Ballotpedia lists on the 23rd of the month, and this happened today, apparently. And this is with Trump doing a phone-in where he literally lied under oath, knowing that he can get away with it because someone will let him get away with it. Somehow he'll get someone to write him a pardon. But yeah, it'd be different if it was an independent or a judge with a reasonable history. I'm sure she does have one, but it's a Republican who's doing this in favor of the Republicans when there's dead ass no way for this to actually work. Now, there is a good reason for someone to do this. She's throwing herself under the bus here because this is grounds for removing her from the bench. Period, full stop, depending on the laws in the state. If she has heard evidence that shows that something specific and demonstrative has happened. Instead, she's just throwing a monkey wrench and delaying it. Yet again. And like a sovereign citizen getting pulled over and ending up having every cop need to pull a gun because that one did it once, somewhere, as the excuse anyway the cops use. The excuse will be, in the next few years, people making laws that say you're not allowed to question the ballot unless you have absolute evidence. And you can't hide it. And the instant you are seen to refuse to provide evidence while still filing a court case that would delay it, you're permanently barred from ever filing a case of any kind because you're automatically a fictitious litigant. Just the same way we do with people who are behaving like one. Lots of people have learned to be assholes in court because they see it on TV or they see it on YouTube and don't realize that's how you get barred from ever bringing a court case. You're forbidden from representing yourself in court because you're an incompetent lawyer. This would backfire on this person because she could be told, you dead ass tried to stop a vote from being finished when it was already certified. Well, it's not certified yet because Fat Lady sings because we're going to put an infinite, distance paradox in here to where it can never finish being certified. Why? Every state that certified the vote is suddenly on that. Well, we can uncertify it. It's like Antifa unarresting people. It's like BLM unarresting people. No, it's happened. It's done. So, not superior, inferior, Commonwealth, inferior court judge Patricia McCullough is our traitor of the week. I'm running out of, we're getting too many traitors per week here. Traitor. Everyone should get together and say, she was voted in 2019. Let's vote to remove her. If you give a shit about your rights, you need to make this sting. It should be done vehemently. I'm sure she's in a position where she can't be removed. Tee-hee. Activist judges? Oh, well, they're only activists if they don't do what I want. This is why you don't allow activists. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with it.